Okay guys, so welcome to this video. We're gonna be looking at the verb miru, which means to see. Okay, now we have different kanjis for miru, which means to see, to watch. Okay, so this one is more to see. When we say, for example, to watch a movie, we're gonna have a different kanji. Okay, but it's exactly the same, like a pronunciation, miru. Uh, Eiga ou miru. Okay, but this one is the first one, the simplest one that you guys can actually memorize. So miru. So let's have a look. It's a regular verb, so very simple to change. Okay, so the jishoke is miru. For example, tsuki o miru, tsuki o miru, to see the moon, not to watch the moon, to see the moon. Okay, tsuki o miru. Um, and the masu case, mimasu. For example, きれいな景色を見ました。I saw a beautiful, きれいな beautiful 景色 means scenery, like a nice scenery, a mountain, whatever you went traveling. So, きれいな景色を見ました。I saw a beautiful scenery. Okay? The negative form is 見ない。For example, そのアルバムを見ない方がいい。何々、ない方がいい。ね、means it's better not to, or 何々方がいい means it's better to, okay? So you're giving an advice. In this case, is it's better not to see, not to have a look at this album, like a photo album, or I don't know. Okay, so maybe you have some pictures that somebody might not like it, so you say, well, そのアルバムを見ない方がいいよ. Like let's say your ex pictures is in there or something. Okay, and the last one, guys, is the imperative form 見て. For example, この写真を見てください。この写真を見てください. Please look at this picture. It's more like, please have a look at this picture. ね。この写真を見てください. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. Bye bye.